This looks like a normal vending machine, but inside, something very smart is happening. You put in money. You press a button. And somehow, the right snack falls out. But how does the machine know what you picked? Let's open it up. Inside, there are shelves that slowly turn. Motors that spin just the right amount. And sensors that watch everything. When you press a button, the machine sends a message: turn this shelf. Not that one. Here's the coolest part. The machine checks if your snack actually fell. If it didn't, it gives your money back. That means the vending machine is watching to make sure it did its job. So what's inside a vending machine? Motors, sensors, and a simple rule: only do one thing exactly right. What should we open next?